Welcome to Up-to-Date Skills YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to delete a Google Class from Google Classroom. I'm in my Google Classroom dashboard now, and I have two classes, English Class 2 and English Class 3. I want to delete English Class 2 and keep English Class 3. If I hit these three dots here, I will have the option to move, copy the invite link, edit the name of the class, copy the class and create a new one, or archive it. To delete your class, this is what you have to do first. So first you have to archive it. So let's hit archive. We get this warning message here, so let's see what it says. Archiving a class causes it to be archived for all participants. Okay, so archived classes can't be modified by teachers or students unless they are restored. So we will have the option to restore it later. This might be good. And this class will move to your archived classes, and class files will remain in Google Drive. So let's hit archive. I'm still in my Google Classroom dashboard. English Class 2, the one I archived, is gone, and English Class 3 is still here. To check my archive folder, I'm going to the main menu and I'm going to scroll down and hit the archived classes. I'm in my archived classes now, and you can see now English Class 2 is here. If you hit these three dots now, you will have the option to copy the class, to restore it, and if you hit restore, it will go back to your Google Classroom dashboard, or to delete it. So let's hit delete. We have another warning here. Let's see what it says. You will no longer have access to any posts or comments that have been added to this class, and class files will remain in Google Drive. This is the most important part. You can't undo this action. So if you are okay with losing all your posts and comments, and if you want to keep the files in your Google Drive, let's hit delete. Now my archive classes folder is empty, and I'm going back to my Google Classroom dashboard. So I'm going back to the main menu and hit classes. And now English Class 2, the one I archived and deleted, is no longer here. And I have the class I want to keep, English Class 3. And this is all you need to do. Well, I guess this is it. Thanks for watching.